Is the camera option missing from apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram on your iPhone? Don't worry, I will guide you through quickly enabling camera access. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable camera from Allow App Setting. Open Setting. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Setting. Tap Allowed App. Enable camera. Go back. Turn off the setting on iPhone. Solution 2. Enable camera access for apps. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap Privacy. Tap Camera. Enable access to all necessary apps. Solution 3. Offload the specific app. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find out that the app that's not showing camera access. Tap on it. Tap Offload App. Tap Offload App again. And lastly, tap Reinstall App. Solution 4. Reset all setting. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. If you encounter issues even after following this process, please don't hesitate to inform me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.